I'm a fourth generation welder, so I just wanted to join welding to kind of get the sense of what they did. I thought I was going to do welding at first. I'll be walking down LTC and I'm going to be graduating with a certificate, but then I'm going to be going to Rose-Hulman and I'm going to be studying mechanical engineering for the next 4 years.
I grew up in a welding shop, fourth generation. I love it. Love doing it. I would like to be a pipe fitter for Local 136 eventually. It's hard because everybody underestimates you, but it's amazing getting to prove them wrong and getting to show up all the guys too. I would say do it. I was terrified to do it just because the intimidation of working around all men, but really it's not as bad as what you think it's going to be. And it really boosts your confidence, honestly.
I would say absolutely do it. I think it would seem intimidating at first because, I mean, this type of environment and blue-collar careers are mostly advertised to men. And I think that women should not be intimidated by a few guys that are like saying don't do it. I mean, if you're going to be successful at it, do it. I mean, women have been working for years and like generations to finally be equal and work in a workforce like this, and I say go for it. Don't hold back.
Once you get into it and you learn what you're doing and you know what you're doing and everybody's like, oh, do you even know? And then you get to prove them wrong and you just you go up from there.
There's a lot more opportunities for you whenever you leave welding. So while welders are like in really high demand, female welders are in even higher demand. So I know if I wanted to, as soon as I get my certificate, there's bound to be a place somewhere that is wanting that sense of diversity and they want a female welder.
I get to work on a lot of projects here, so it gives me a lot of hands-on and I get to like maneuver in ways that I will be out in the field.
I've always been really creative and I loved doing hands-on work, but I've never been able to do it at a school and like be able to take my creative stuff and put it into my schoolwork. And at the very end I get to see the entire product and I get to be like, oh, I made that. I planned that, I did the math, I did everything for that, and I get to have that sense of accomplishment with it.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing. I have fabricated deer skinning racks and I go around and I show the pictures to people all the time because that's the first thing I've made myself and it's awesome being able to see it come to life.